Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Hatgpt network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, what you have to do first, click here and then type now type here control panel, view by, make it small icons and click network and sharing center. Go to internet or Wi-Fi, you will find it here, internet or Wi-Fi, click on it. Properties, protocol, internet version 4 and click properties. Now once you're here, all you have to do just just copy my settings, select second one here and type 11111001 and then click OK. Close and close it, and then just open your browser and after that go to your browser history and now clear browsing data and make sure to select all of those three options and make it all time clear data, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.